DJI is entering a completely new battlefield, and the entire camera world is watching closely. After years of dominating drones, gimbals, and stabilizers, the company is finally stepping into the mirrorless camera space for the very first time. This move isn't just ambitious, it could redefine the landscape for creators who rely on powerful hybrid cameras for both photography and filmmaking. In today's deep dive, we're exploring everything this new entry promises, from its rugged design and rumored full-frame sensor to its autofocus, stabilization, and projected real-world performance. We'll break down what DJI seems to be doing right, what areas might still need refinement, and whether this camera could truly compete with the long-standing giants in the industry. If you're on the lookout for your next big upgrade or simply curious about how DJI plans to disrupt yet another segment, make sure to stay tuned. Welcome to Technify. Let's get started. DJI's first mirrorless camera is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated debuts in the imaging world. Early renders and industry leaks suggest that DJI is aiming for a compact yet rugged body design, something that blends the durability of cinema-style build quality with the portability and ergonomics of a mirrorless stills camera. The boxy, utilitarian structure appears purpose-built for creators who frequently work with rigs, gimbals, and cages. Considering DJI's dominance in the stabilization world, this makes perfect sense. Every design choice seems centered around mobility, balance, and reliability. One of the biggest highlights is the rumored use of the L-mount system, shared by Leica, Panasonic, and Sigma. This is a smart and creator-friendly decision. Instead of forcing users into a brand new lens ecosystem, DJI instantly aligns itself with a huge selection of high-quality, existing lenses. It opens the door for professionals and enthusiasts to adapt their current setups seamlessly without worrying about limited lens options. This alone could make the camera more appealing to filmmakers and hybrid shooters right out of the box. Video performance is expected to be a major focus, and this is where DJI's experience shines brightest. The company's history with high-end stabilization, from drones to the Ronin series, strongly hints that this camera could offer incredibly smooth footage, even in difficult handheld shooting conditions. If the rumored full-frame sensor is accurate, we can expect excellent low-light performance, high dynamic range, and rich color depth. A setup like this could make handheld 4K or higher resolution recording reliable and cinematic, especially when paired with cinema-oriented L-mount lenses. For still photography, the full-frame sensor rumor is equally exciting. With access to Hasselblad's color science and imaging expertise, something DJI has leveraged in the drone world. This mirrorless camera may produce highly natural colors, strong detail reproduction, and controlled noise in both bright and low-light conditions. If DJI tunes the sensor well, we might see image quality that rivals established brands on day one. Autofocus and stabilization are two areas where creators are expecting big results. The speculation points toward a fast phase detect autofocus system with subject recognition and predictive tracking. DJI already excels at tracking moving subjects in drones, so seeing that technology adapted into a mirrorless body could be a huge advantage. The in-body image stabilization (IBIS) system is also expected to be heavily optimized, making handheld footage smoother and long exposures more stable. Battery life appears to be another strong point. Rumors suggest a newly designed high-capacity battery built to handle extended recording sessions without interruption. With fast charging and the ability to power the camera while shooting through USB-C, this system seems engineered for creators who spend long hours filming, traveling, or working in unpredictable environments. Overall, the early picture of DJI's first mirrorless camera is extremely promising. If the rumors hold true, this could be one of the most exciting hybrid cameras in recent years. A device that blends DJI's video expertise with modern mirrorless performance, thoughtful design, and access to a mature lens ecosystem. It has the potential to reshape how content creators approach both filmmaking and photography. Thanks for joining us here on Technify for this in-depth look at DJI's exciting leap into the mirrorless camera world. This new direction from DJI could mean major changes for creators everywhere, and it's always thrilling to explore how a company known for pushing boundaries plans to challenge the traditional players. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want to stay updated on the latest camera innovations, tech insights, and creator tools, make sure to hit that like button and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We genuinely love hearing your opinions, predictions, and questions. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our future reviews, comparisons, or guides. Your support helps keep the Technify community growing and motivated. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and continue exploring the ever-evolving world of tech, right here with Technify.